Hello everyone. The 44th session in Computer Application and Business of 5th semester BBA affiliated to Bangalore North University. In this session, we are going to understand one of the type of database system, that is network database model. Let's revise the content of the previous session where we had discussed about the hierarchical database model. We understood its origin, some of the important terminologies, the model, and advantages and disadvantages of hierarchical database model. The learning objective of this session is to enable the students to understand the network database model. After the completion of the session, the student will be able to explain the network database model. In this session, the coverage is Introduction to Network Database Model, Important Terminologies, Network Model, Advantages and Disadvantages of Network Model, and to conclude with the content. Let's understand what is a network database model. In late 1960s, the Database Task Force formalized this model. Network model is a generalization of hierarchical model. In this model, a segment can have multiple parent segments. Many-to-many logical associations can exist between any two segments and their instances. This model was created to solve the limitations of hierarchical database model. In this type of model, a child can be like with many parents, and the parent nodes can have many children, and they are known as owners and the members. Now let's try to understand the terminologies used in the construction of network model. Similar to that, what we had understood in an hierarchical model, where we saw one segment as a parent and the other segment as a child, where the relationship established is like a parent and child. Here, the same thing is renamed or retermed as owner record and member record. Parent node is called as owner record and the child node is called as member record. Let's have a look into the network database model. We can see how networking is done amongst the relationship. In this example, you can see a parent node, which is a college, which has a computer science department. Just an example. College can have many departments, and a library. College, parent node, we have children node, and we can also see a student here, which is connected to both the department as well as the library. So this is what is called as many-to-many relationship. Now let's understand some of the advantages and disadvantages. Before that, let us analyze the scheme of hierarchical model, which was like a family tree, whereas network model replaces that hierarchical tree with a graph, allowing more general connection among the nodes. Coming on to the advantages, network database model facilitates easier data access. The data access in this model is not only easier but also superior. It can access either an application or the user can access a owner record and all the members record in a set, that is simultaneously. And it establishes many-to-many relationships, which helps modeling the real-life applications. Network model provides or facilitates data independence. In data independence, network model is better than the hierarchical model in isolating a program from the complex storage details. Unlike hierarchical model, network model is based on the standards formulated by DPTC. And moreover, like hierarchical model, network model is also very simple and easy to design. So in spite of these advantages, it suffers from some of the drawbacks. Network model is not user friendly. Why it is not user friendly? Because designing the system it requires highly skilled people, and the design is highly skill oriented system. So the design of the network model itself is not user friendly, and it also suffers from system complexities. All records are maintained using pointers, so the whole database structure becomes very complex. Then in the network model, there is difficulty in making structural changes, resulting in absence of structural independence. Since the data access method in the network database model is a navigational system, making structural changes to the database is very difficult in most of the cases. So it suffers from difficulty in making structural changes. So though network model is a better model compared to hierarchical model, it's an improvised model introduced owing to the drawbacks of hierarchical model. Even this model suffers from drawback. So thus, we can conclude that network database model supports a wider variety of processing requirements when compared to hierarchical model, but still it requires significant programming and database design, knowledge and time. Means to say, this is not the superior and the ultimate network model to be followed. So based on this, let us answer multiple choice questions stated here. First question is, network database model is an enhanced version of. Options are relationship model, hierarchical model, object-oriented model, and none of these. Yes, we know that it's an enhanced or generalization model of hierarchical model. Move on to the next question. The unique feature of network database model is, let's see the option, simple, flexible, M:(n), that is many-to-many relationships, and all of the above. Of course, all are features, but unique feature is many-to-many relationships. So answer is M:(n). Let's move on to the next one. The scheme of network database model is tree, graph, table, none of the above. You know that the scheme is, it's a diagrammatical, graphical representation. So answer is graph. Next question, which is not an advantage of network database model? We have user friendly, simple, easy access, flexible. Yeah, we know it is not user friendly. That is because of design, highly technical design. Let's see the next question. The demerit of network database model is reduces redundancy, it is faster, it's complex, none of the above. So it is complex. So we know database has a structural, it does not have structural independence, difficult to make structural changes, and it has system complexities. These are some of the books which are referred for this session. Thank you.